Hello all. In today's session we are going to solve the problems based on the gain, directivity and conduction dielectric efficiency. So we'll understand how we are going to calculate the gain of any antenna. So gain is equal to K into D, whereas K is nothing but the conduction dielectric efficiency, which may be given by the RR by RR plus RL, whereas RR is nothing but the radiation resistance and RL is nothing but the loss resistance. So let us solve the problems based on these two formulas first. So the first problem says that an antenna has a directivity of 20 and a radiation efficiency of a 90%. So compute the gain in the dBs. Now we'll see what is given here. So we have given a directivity which is nothing but the 20. We are having the efficiency which is nothing but the 90%, which you can say is nothing but the 0.9. Now let us see the relationship between gain, efficiency and the directivity. So we know the K, we know the directivity, so we can say this is nothing but the 18. So if you are interested in the gain which is in the dBs, you can say this will be the 10 log to the G. So this G will be the dimensionless quantity, so we can say this is 10 log to the base 10, 18. Now if you calculate this particular value, this will come near about 12. So we'll calculate this particular value, which is nothing but the 10 log to the base 10, 80. So if you are interested in this particular value, so you can say this is 10 log of, I can say 18, which is nothing but the 10 log of 18, which is nothing but the 12.55 dB. So here we have calculated the gain, which is nothing but the 12.55 dBs. So this is all about the gain. Now let us solve another problem based on these relationships. So the radiation resistance of an antenna is 72 ohm and the loss resistance is 8 ohm. What is the directivity in dBs if the power gain is 16? So here we are having the two values which are given, which is nothing but the radiation resistance RR, which is 72 ohm, and the second is loss resistance, which is 8 ohm, and the gain is given as 60. Now we know the relationship that your K, that is nothing but the ECD, conduction dielectric efficiency, is RR divided by RR plus RL. So this will be 72 divided by 72 plus 8, which comes 0.9, that is efficiency is nothing but the 90%. Now the gain and the directivity are related using the equation which we know, that is nothing but the G is equal to KD. So K is 0.9, D we need to calculate, but the gain is given, so I can say D is equal to G by 0.9. So gain is nothing but the, we already calculated the gain is already given 16 by 0.9. So we are having this 17.77. As this particular thing is not in the dB, we need to convert it into the dBs. So D in dB is equal to 10 log to the base 10, you can say D. So I'll calculate this in this way. So this will be the 10 log to the base 10, 17.17, which is nothing but the 12.49 or 497 dB. So this is all about the directivity if the both the resistances are given and you can say you have provided with the gain. Now the third problem says that, let us solve the third problem, which says that an antenna has a radiation resistance of 72 ohm. So here third problem, your antenna is having a radiation resistance 72 ohm, loss resistance of 8 ohm, a power gain of 12 dB. Determine antenna efficiency and its directivity. So we'll list out what is given first. So here the given things are RR, which is 72 ohm. Here is the RL, which is 8 ohm, and the third one is nothing but the gain, but here gain is given in the dBs. So you need to convert it into the normal. So 10 log G is nothing but the 12. So G is equal to 10 raised to 1.2, which is nothing but the 15.85. So now I have got the gain. Now how we can calculate the antenna radiation efficiency? So to calculate the antenna radiation efficiency, K is equal to ECD is equal to RR. RR plus RL. So I'll put all those values as we know that things. 72, you can say 72 plus 8, which is nothing but the 0.9, means it is a 90%. So now we know G, we know K, we can calculate the D. So G is equal to K into D. K is 0.9. D we need to calculate. So D is equal to, you can say, G by K. So G is already calculated or already given, 15.85 divided by 0.9, which is nothing but the 17.61. Now these things are not in the dBs. We need to convert this particular thing into the dBs. So D in dB is equal to 10 log D. So this will be the 10 log 17.61, which is nothing but the 12.46 dB. So this is the directivity in the dBs. Now let us solve last problem. So it says that antenna loss resistance of 20 ohm, power gain of 50 and the directivity of 80, determine the radiation resistance. So here we need to calculate RR. So how we can calculate the RR? So first list down what is given. So here we can say that you have given with the loss resistance. So I can say the loss resistance is given. So RL is equal to 20 ohm, gain is 50 and the directivity is 80. So here let us see the relationship. G, I can say G is equal to KD. So K is equal to G by D. So I know G, I know D. I can calculate all that things. So G is 50 by 80, which gives rise to the 0.625. So I have calculated the efficiency over here. Now I need to calculate the another resistance. So here I'll write down all that things over there. So K is equal to RR divided by RR plus RL. So this will be the 1 divided by 1 plus RL by RR. So I have divided each and every term with the RR. So I have got the new term. So here I can say that RL by RR is equal to 1 by K minus 1, which is nothing but the 0.6. So here if I put further that RR is equal to RL divided by 0.6. Therefore RR is equal to 20 by 0.6. So this gives me 33.33 ohm. So if the loss resistance is given, I can calculate the radiation resistance, which is nothing but the 33.33 ohm. So this is all about the relationship between directivity, conduction dielectric efficiency and the gain. So we'll stop here. Thank you.